Keyboarding, Lesson 26, Word Apply It Word Drills. The first task, make sure you either Control F9 or actually click so the window is active, and you're just going to type what you see in the gray box on the right hand side, and then press Enter, and then type 7072, Shift underscore, data, check your work, and continue. We'll save this document, so File, Save As, Documents, and this one will be, the file name is 7072 underscore data. I have an extra 0 in there. And save. And then we'll save this one, File, Save As, and again click Documents, and we'll put it into the Applications folder, so double click the Applications folder and then save. And you're finished.